If you're renting privately in England, there are some really big changes coming on the 1st of May, and I'm going to run through what some of those changes are and what they could mean for you. Firstly, landlords and letting agents won't be able to reject you because you have children or because you receive welfare benefits. They can't stop you from viewing a home or applying for a tenancy based on the way that you will pay your rent. Secondly, there's going to be an end to bidding wars and the huge upfront costs that landlords and letting agents can charge you. So, landlords and letting agents won't be able to charge you more than the price that they have advertised the property for, and you won't lose out to someone who's able to offer more money than you for the property. Also, they'll only be able to charge you either 1 month or 4 weeks' rent in advance. So, this will make it a much more level playing field to find a property within your budget. It's also going to be harder to evict you for unfair reasons. So they'll have to have a legal reason to evict you. And if they want to move back into the property or sell it, then you have to be in the property a year before they can decide to do that. Landlords are also only going to be able to put the rent up once per year, and they have to give you 2 months' notice to be able to do it as well. And there's going to be an end to fixed term tenancy agreements, and they'll move to something called a periodic tenancy agreement. So that means that you'll be able to end your contract at any time with your landlord or letting agent as long as you give them 2 months' notice. You'll also be able to ask your landlord if you can keep a pet in your rental property, even if they've said no before. You just have to write to them after the 1st of May, and they can only refuse if they have really good reason to. Remember, these changes are only applicable to private renters in England and come into effect from the 1st of May. So, if you're unsure what your rights will be, then I recommend checking out the Citizens Advice website or getting in touch with your local Citizens Advice.